Hey, everyone! Welcome back. Today, we have a fantastic recipe that's not only easy to make but also incredibly delicious. Homemade carrot ginger dressing. If you're a fan of Japanese cuisine or just love a flavorful dressing for your salads, you're in for a treat. So let's dive right in. To start off, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 large carrots, peeled and roughly chopped, 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, peeled and grated, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1/4 cup neutral oil, like grapeseed or vegetable oil, salt and pepper to taste. First things first, let's prep our carrots. Give them a good peel and a rough chop. Now let's move over to the blender. Into the blender, add our chopped carrots, freshly grated ginger, minced garlic, rice vinegar, soy sauce, and honey. Next up, we'll add our neutral oil. This not only adds a smooth texture, but also helps bring all the flavors together. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Now let's give it a good blend. Look at that vibrant color. The combination of carrots and ginger not only tastes amazing, but also adds a beautiful hue to our dressing. That's fantastic. The sweetness from the carrots, the warmth from the ginger, and the umami from the soy sauce. It's a perfect balance. Make sure to give it a taste and adjust any seasonings to your liking. And there you have it. Our homemade carrot ginger dressing is ready to elevate your salads. Drizzle it over your favorite greens. Use it as a marinade for grilled chicken, or even as a dipping sauce for spring rolls. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more delicious content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty upload. Until next time, happy cooking!